don't have the balls to wear this wig outside. The color is just so beautiful. I really want to get out of that comfort zone. So beautiful on me. She is gorgeous. Like, what's up, team? Fullest, this is to get with me. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wig of my canal. So today I'm here. I'm giving you guys back to back. Today I got time. So when you got time, make good use of the opportunity. So today I kind of slay this face, and I'm like, let me just make use of this opportunity. So guys, I'm here again to do another AliExpress wig unboxing. Okay, yes, I have. This is number 4. I do have another one coming. I have been just obsessed with wig. Like, my hair, my natural hair is just being braided all back, leave, put wig. And then what I do, I just take the cap like this, oil the scalp, put the wig down back, and I just keep changing wigs. That's what I do right now. So I'm here to share with you guys this new wig, and I picked up from AliExpress. Now I want something color. I'm not picking up like black. Okay, I do have black that I picked up, but I'm not picking up like black. I want something colorful. So I pick up this hair from AliExpress. This is let me get the hair. Okay, let me get the hair for you guys. This is like chocolate brown hair. Okay, and this was in 180 density, 13 by 4, 26 inches. How much did I pay for this hair? Wow, 100. And how much did I pay? You know, you have like different so in total, you're going to, the price is 240 and 54 cents. 240.54 cents. That's what you're going to pay for this. So they have different colors, but this is the color that I choose. You guys can see how beautiful the color is. So this is the color that I choose. This is like brownish. I do have the same kind of color in a curly wig. If you guys watch my last curly wig unboxing, you guys see the color that I picked up there. And now this time I pick up the straight one. So it came in this bag. You know, I've already opened it because I was like, what? I thought it was the black one that I picked up, but it wasn't the black one. So yeah, this is came in this beautiful pink bag, 100% natural, 100% human hair. So when you open the bag, what do you get inside here? Let me hold this close. So into the bag, you get some lashes. Yo, these lashes are long. Like, you will never catch me wear this kind of lashes. These are super long, guys. This is, whew, okay. I'm happy for the nets, the hair net. So here you have a little bit of instructions about the hair company and a little bit about the company, like that. And this is what I like about all my hair. Just give me this. I'm okay. So this is the plastic that the hair came in, as you guys can see, 26 inches. And let's open it and see. This is gonna be a quick unboxing. Whenever I'm ready to install this wigs, I have so much wig. I'm not bragging. I am not bragging. I know there are other people who have much more than me, but I'm just grateful and appreciative of what I have. I don't compare myself to others. I'm just grateful. I have so much wig that if I choose to wear a wig every single day, different type of wig, I can. I have some wigs that I purchased, some colorful ones that I still haven't even cut the lace off. They're still just there. I still haven't gotten the guts, the mind to wear such colors. Like, I have this beautiful like burgundy red, vibrant red wig that I picked up. I still don't have the balls to wear this wig outside. It's still there. It's just lying down there. Every day I'm like, should I? It's just there. Let's just leave it there till I get the balls to wear that wig, because the color is just so beautiful, but I don't know. me just being black, neutral, I really want to get out of that comfort zone. So one day I will have the mind, the balls to wear that kind of wig. So yeah, so this is the wig we're talking about. This is my newest baby. This is the newest baby in the collection. So this is what it looks like. Let's take everything off. Ouch. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so nice. Do you guys see that? You guys see how beautiful it is? It's so beautiful. It's so nice. I love how like soft and beautiful it is. Let's turn the inside. Let me show you guys the inside a little bit. So you have like a little bit lace at the back. You have comb, one comb here, one comb here, one comb here, one comb. You have in total 4 combs, and this is the lace. Actually, the lace is not that really much compared to other 13x4 lace front wig that I purchased, but I can tell because this one, maybe because this one is colorful and it's more pricey. I feel like the color wig on AliExpress are really pricey. They're really pricey, the color wig. But yeah, you know, yeah, I really just like the color. I feel like this color is going to suit my skin so beautiful. I already have a wig on, so I don't know how I'm going to. Ooh, don't want to mess up my wig that I have on, but you know what? It is what it is. Let me check. I feel like this is gonna look so beautiful on me. The color, I look like a mad woman right now with this 2 wig, but I feel like this is gonna look so beautiful on me. And I love how they've already plucked the lace. If you want, you can do it even more, but I don't know how to pluck. I try to do it once in a while, but I don't go like too deep because I'm not really super good at it. But I love the wig. It's beautiful, it's nice. I love the colors. I love how jiggle wiggle wiggle diggle. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. Just a quick unboxing, Team Fullest. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description box. Please check the link in the description box. Whenever I'm ready to do an install of this wig, I will definitely come back and give you guys a quick short video of me installing this wig. I see a lot of reviews on this wig on some beautiful dark skin girls that pull this wig off. Like, she is gorgeous. She is just mwah. She is hot. She's really beautiful, and I just love it. I just love, oh, for some people it comes in with extra elastic band, but mine didn't, and she is gorgeous. Like, I don't know, like her skin color, the wig, everything just blends. She is beautiful. I don't know if I'm even allowed to show these pictures here, but it's on the media. She is beautiful, and I have so many more dark skin girls which are beautiful, so they really kind of like tricked me in to get this wig. So Team Fullest, just a quick unboxing. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Whenever I'm ready to install this wig, I'll definitely come back and, oh, my hair is messed up. I'll definitely come back and do installments for you guys. But for now, I'm just loving this black wig. This black wig is so thick. I got this from AliExpress a while ago. I think this is a second time now of me wearing this wig, and the density is so thick. Like, it's so thick. I just loved it. So Team Fullest, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye. Do